Kill 10, I don't care. Dub, do you care?
Yeah, I'm here.
No, do
Right.
you care?
What do I care?
Do you care?
About what?
Just do you care?
Press the start button on the
Yeah.
scoreboard to play.
Aw, he cares.
What?
That we're good.
Right.
You already won.
I'm
I
assuming
glitch him
because I haven't played a point trial
this
before,
Legion of One.
I get points. No shoot other team or my team.
Don't shoot me. I'll get mad at you.
And Echo. No shooting Echo. That's bad.
You can shoot with Vestra though.
No, I can't shoot a Vestra.
Yes, you can. Look at him.
So no speed, right? It doesn't matter about speed.
It does. I know.
Game on.
I don't know if you're toying with me or not. First thing, do I get a sword or a bow or a fish? I'm gonna nick that bow.
Grab a weapon, Dub. I'm not gonna do it without you.
Well, what a weapon. I'm gonna nick the bow from
Crimson, by the way. Crimson. You're gonna get right, and then on all the levels, you're gonna get up, okay?
Bog now.
Okay, fine, I'll get up and bog.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh I got 1,000 points. It's not bad. Oh shit! Oh, they friendly fired each other. Pots. I forgot about pots. Oh, I don't know pot spawns.
Dare you do
I
that
don't
to
know
me?
pot spawns. Don't pay attention to pot spawns.
I don't care about my daily challenge. Stop. Crimson!
I don't even know what I'm doing. What's still left? I'm really con-
Dub.
Raccoon is really not. It's not my cup of tea. No way. What happened there? Oh.
Ouch.
Not yet, not yet.
I really need to get my PC working, my Steam Link working, because that lag was bad.
Oh my god. How the
What the lag? Is that fish? Or just... Why is it lagging? Oh.
Yo.
What the f- Why is it? What the f- What the Oh. Oh yeah, you get a whole level now. Very nice.
Yo, holy lag. Who's hosting this server?
Sword anywhere? Okay, to be honest, I'm lagging really badly. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, yeah. Now we revive them. I get how this works.
I'm teleporting here.
Oof.
It's actually a damn breaking bug.
Right. Do not get cooked to steam. The fudge.
What?
Oh. What do I even... I guess I just sort of... and say hello. Yeah. Oh. Haha. Where are barrel spawns here? I'm not sure, to be honest.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Not right now.
Juice in here. What? There's not juice in there. Oh my. Oh. Oh my, I get really confused by spawns. I did not like this.
Hey, can we hurry this up? My mom made some chili. Damn, that's tough.
This is the most unlucky CSL match ever.
Wait, what the fuck? I grabbed a bow? Yo. I dropped my bow into the lava.
Thanks.
Oh my god, I don't know why I did that.
Think rec. I don't know. My brain's malfunctioning. It's too late for this.
Too short.
Mm.
You missed those shots from the game.
Literally nothing. I hate this game.
I shot a barrel. My bow fell out of my hand into the lava.
Oh yeah, burn them up. Point. Oh, and I fell. Let them. Sort of just sit here, try and be faster. Give me a second. That'll just take a while. Oh my. Did a vest just fall asleep?
Yeah, he did. Look at him. He just woke up.
I'm just gonna sort of sit up here and shoot stuff. Actually, I'm gonna have a sword just in case. Nope. I'm gonna go up there and try and beat it up. Come on, stand back. Um.
Out.
What the I don't even know how'd I get out there. Very interesting. Don't even know how I got out there, to be honest.
I'm scared. Ah! I don't have my sword. Stop.
Ooh.
I hate this game.
We spread my arms
Kill
out
that.
nice
Can I
and
grab my
wide just in
sword?
case.
Kill that,
Can I
kill
grab
that,
a sword,
in
please,
case.
game?
Kill the guy
In
shooting.
case, no,
Kill that guy shooting, Crimson. I'm scared of him.
I could accidentally get revived.
Hey, why is he going through?
No. Thank you. Goblins, bro. Did they fix chests? No, they didn't. Yay. Oh. Reckon really budge. Really
Oh,
need to
there.
get on top of their games.
Why I not open?
Oh.
Ready to start.